Good evening.
You shut up, you twerp!
The Apollo 13 spacecraft has had a serious power supply malfunction.
Young people were beginning to care as much about the environment
The battle cry of the women's liberation movement rings out down New York's Fifth Avenue as more than 10,000 militant feminists stage a one-day strike for equal rights.
The Jimi Hendrix experience is over. The acid rock musician died today in a London hospital, apparently from an overdose of drugs.
One of industry's methods to help combat the solid waste crisis, an effort encouraged by the Environmental Protection Agency.
I'm ready, my straw. Oh, Mama, he did it again.
Hey, if you're so convinced I'm a loser, why did you bulldoze me into buying you coffee?
I like your body.
Guys like us, we had it made. Those were the days.
And to do when you want it.
Dance for girls and men, woman. Mister, we could use a man like Herbert over again.
What do you
These country roads take me home to the place I belong.
The grand opening of Walt Disney World.
Tradition!
Tradition!
Sit down.
We've known each other many years, but this is the first time you ever came to me for counsel, for help. I can't remember the last time that you invited me to your house for a cup of coffee.
I'm sorry, but we don't usually let strangers in. Wait
a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sour, I promise myself.
The Democratic National Committee is located in the Watergate office building. The burglars forced a stairwell door, then taped its latch open. The door, now part of police evidence, was noticed by one of the guards.
We've not only won a majority of the votes of America, but we've won a majority of the votes of young Americans.
There is orange soil. Well, don't move it till I see it. It's all over. Orange. Hey, it is. I can see it from here. It's orange.
You just a natural born beehive, filled with honey to the top. I ain't greedy, baby. All I want is all you got another baby. I ain't asking much of you.
The observation deck at the top of the World Trade Center. If you think the view from inside is spectacular, wait till you get outside to the roof. It's breathtaking.
Discover one of the world's most fascinating cities with its incredible skyscrapers and bold modern design.
3, 1, 0. And we have a liftoff. The Skylab lifting off the pad now, moving up.
In a literal sense, that's true.
In a literal sense?
Yes, sir.
But not in an actual sense.
Well, here I am dueling with a professor.
No, I'm not dueling with you. I'm just trying to get a...
Professor, if you say...
He says, son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes.
People have got to know whether or not their president is a crook. Well, I'm not a crook. I've earned everything I've got.
You flung you prince of heaven to the depths of hell! Fuck him! Begone! Fuck him, Garrus! From this creature of God! Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga. I can't stop this feeling.
Hey, boys! Look what I got here. Hey, where are the white women at?
What you do to me? When you hold me.
Woman, woman. Come here, lady. Get out of here.
David, let's listen up. I need your assistance now.
Oh, boy, not much more than that.
Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are blue.
Look, I don't have your brain for big deals. But this is a street thing. That Hyman Roth in Miami, he's backing up those son of a bitches.
I know he is.
You want to solve the puzzle for $825?
Yes.
Solve it.
Princess Anne.
Princess Anne is right.
She is being charged with attempted murder of the president. She is 26-year-old Lynette Alice Fromm, nicknamed Squeaky. She's a member of the so-called Manson family.
3 weeks later, a rerun. Another radical, another gun, the same president.
I knew that that's the only shot I would have was a headshot. He came out, looked right at me.
To me.
I ain't no little kid where you're gonna have cigarettes kept from me like cookies, and I want something done. Ain't that right?
That's right. Now will you sit down?
That's right.
Tell you, because you had the talent to become a good fighter, and instead of that,
You became a leg breaker. Some cheap second-rate loan shark.
It's a living?
It's a waste of life.
As if, like me, you're distinctly suspicious of computers, especially other people's, the answer is buy your own.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love.
Seems they're trying to teach us a basic tonal vocabulary. It's the first day of school, fellas.
Because I don't get my allowance until Friday. Well, you get an allowance? When I'm a good boy, I do. Hey, Viola, a dog sled the light with 4 spoons. Hey there, Mr. Blue Sky, so pleased to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Everybody smiles at you.
Then, suddenly, we heard a thunderous crash that sounded like a bomb hitting.
Mile Island nuclear power plant a dozen miles south of Harrisburg. Steam escaped into the atmosphere and radiation was detected as far as a mile away.
We took everything that was wrong with children's television and got rid of it. We kept everything that was good about it and made it better. The result is Nickelodeon, the young people's satellite network.
Your kids will love McDonald's Happy Meal. It's food and fun in a box. Goodbye, stranger. It's been nice. Hope you find it paradise.
Moving right along in search of good times and good news. With good friends you can't lose. This could become a habit.
boogie to the boogie, say up jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie. Let's rock.
If you like pina coladas, we don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm. Don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time.
Shooting star leader.